You can see wild animals while on a safari.
Tourists should take a bus tour when visiting London. It saves them from walking.
All travellers must check in and show their tickets and passports before boarding a plane. You can touch the animals, but you mustn't feed them. You can touch the animals, but you can't feed them.
Kate has to do a project on Madagascar, and so she is gathering information on her tablet.
You don't need to walk up a mountain to ski down it. You can take a ski lift up. You don't have to walk up a mountain to ski down it. You can take a ski lift up. You needn't walk up a mountain to ski down it. You can take a ski lift up. The tourists had to follow their tour guide so as to listen to information about the exhibits in the museum.
Everyone should go on a camel ride when visiting Egypt. It's great fun.
Most lemurs live in trees and can jump up to 10 meters in the air from one tree to another.
They could sail from a very young age, but they weren't able to take part in races.
A tornado is coming this way and could hit my house. A tornado is coming this way and may hit my house. A tornado is coming this way and might hit my house.